Hello everyone. So we'll start the market pre-well with TraderSmith India. So before that, this is the disclaimer. The content in this presentation podcast should not be considered as recommendation to buy or sell security. All the information is intended for educational purpose only and is no way should be considered investment advice. So we'll see how US and Asian market has done last night. So US, if you'll see, the Nasdaq has lost around 0.15%. Dow is minus 0.67%, and S&P was 0.45% negative. And then European index DAX was 1.16% negative. FTSE 100 was 0.74% negative, and CAC 40 was 0.73% negative. SGX Nifty has traded lower with 0.48%. Asia, Kospi is minus 0.12%, Nikkei 0.81% positive. Shanghai Composite was positive 0.1%, and Hang Seng was positive for 0.20%. Then these are the news. US reported June CPI inflation at 9.21%, highest since December 1981. Brent crude oil trading near $100 per barrel. Rupee recorded fresh low against USD at 79.75. Dollar index trading at 108.30. Infosys to acquire Base Life Science for up to 110 million euros. Dabur India to acquire balance 24% stake in JV Asian Consumer for 600 million Bangladeshi taka, that is rupees 50.9 crore. Then the earnings result. Tata Metaliks net profit down 98.71% at rupees 1.22 crore versus rupees 94.72 crore YOY. Revenue up to 10.5% at 666.4 crore versus rupees 603 crore YOY. Mindtree quarter one PAT grew 37.3% YOY to rupees 471.6 crore. Revenue grew 36.2% YOY to 3,121 crore with the highest ever order book of $470 million. So result to be announced: LTI, Tata Elxsi, SEC, BBTC, Angel One. These are the some of the derivatives data of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So maximum call open interest has seen around 16,500 to 16,300, which amounts to 2.24 lakhs and 2.03 lakhs. Maximum put open interest for 15,500 was 1.13 lakhs. Then 15,800 was 1.02 lakhs. Same and for Bank Nifty, put to call ratio was 0.66%. Maximum call open interest was seen 35,500, and which amounts to 123.88 lakhs. Then next was 36,000, and it amounts to 104.9 lakh. Maximum put open interest was 34,000, which amounts to 0.97 lakh. And then next one was 34,500, which amounts to 0.69 lakh. So now we'll discuss the chart in Nifty. So this is the daily chart of Nifty 50, and we have seen that after this rally from where the index has started accelerating itself from 15,700 onwards, and that has happened from July 4. It has accelerated a bit from here till it has reached the high of 16,000 2020, and what is the height? 16,275. And after that, when this week started, that is consecutive, we have seen Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 3 consecutive days, the index has formed a 3 bearish candle with lower high and low price structure on the daily chart. And the index is currently facing resistance towards its 16,000, and it is not able to sustain above that level. And index has also breached yesterday, or we can say that day before yesterday, which has just closed near to lower of 50 DMA, that is 16,063, and it has closed at 15,966. And very next day, that is Wednesday, the index has actually breached its 50 DMA. So for upside, if 50 DMA is reclaimed and sustained, then we can expect that further upside from here. And currently the index is having support near its level of 15,700, or we can say that 15,650. So once this support is breached, then we can expect further downside in this particular index. The Nifty Bank. Actually, this is the daily chart of Nifty 50, and the index has actually accelerated after hitting the low of 32,290, and that has happened from 17th of June. And from here, the index has accelerated, and we have seen a rally. And in this rally, the index has hit the high of 35,500. 543, and from that 543, where it has also reclaimed its 100 DMA, but it has just closed near to its 100 DMA, which was placed on 35,277, but it was not able to sustain that 100 EMA. But Monday was the day when it has reclaimed, but very next day, that is on Tuesday and Wednesday, the index has beat its 100 DMA. So in this particular space, 100 DMA is the key level to watch. So once this index sustain and surpass and sustain this 100 DMA, then we can expect that it might touch its 200 DMA as well, which is placed just 4.57% away from this level. And from the support perspective, the index is having support around 35,000 and 35,000 to 34,500. So this is all from our side. So thank you so much for being the part of TraderSmith.